To do a wrap and turn short row on the knit side, knit to your turning point and bring the yarn forward. Slip the next stitch purlwise and then bring your yarn to the back. Turn your work. Slip this first stitch back to the other needle and begin to purl across. You'll see at the base of the stitch here that there's a small wrap, and on the front side here it's more obvious because this is a stockinette background. To do a wrap and turn short row on the purl side, with yarn forward, slip the stitch where you wish to turn purlwise, bring your yarn to the back, turn your knitting, and slip that first stitch back to your right needle. Now bring your yarn to the back to knit. To finish a wrap and turn short row on the knit side, knit to the wrapped stitch. Here you can see the wrap around the base of the next stitch. Slip that stitch purlwise and then pull the wrap up and over the needle. Slip both the wrap and the stitch back to the left needle. The stitch needs to go on top of the wrap, so knit two together. That positions the wrap loop behind the stitch and hides it in the stockinette stitch. To finish a wrap and turn short row on the purl side, purl to your wrapped stitch and slip the wrapped stitch knitwise to reposition the stitch with the right leg in back and the left leg in front. Pull the wrap up onto the right needle and then slip both stitches back to the left needle. These two stitches, this is the loop and the stitch that the loop was wrapping, will be purled together through the back loop. Come around behind with your right needle and into the back of the two stitches and purl them together. This hides the wrap behind the stitch that it was wrapping. You can see here on the front side that the column of stockinette stitch here is uninterrupted and the wrap is hidden.